Hey guys, so Portia here. If you are new to our channel, welcome. This is the YouTube home of Black Tea and Honey, which is a soap and candle company run by me and my husband. I just wanted to kind of do like a vlogish style video for I guess the day. So quick recap, last night, August 31st, we opened up our website for preview so people could go and look at the items that we currently have up on the website. They could not purchase, but they're able to see everything, read the descriptions and all that kind of stuff. So it went really well. We did a Facebook post as well as an Instagram post, and I did like some stories on Instagram throughout the day. And so yeah, it went really well. I was super nervous. Ugh, I had like butterflies for real. I don't even know why I was so, I don't know, I guess because this is like, you know, like my baby, so it's kind of like, you know, you're hoping that people will, you know, like what they see when they go to your site and everything. But anyway, I was super nervous, but I feel a lot better this morning. And I went ahead and sent out our welcome email to all the subscribers that we have to our newsletter. So that's done, and then I have to go into storage this morning to pull some items from there, and then I'm gonna go over to Sam's Club because I need to pick up some more supplies for soaping, some olive oil, coconut oil, stuff like that. And then when I get home, I'm going to probably cut my Black Tea and Honey soap because that's been curing for 2 days now. And I need to steam it as well because it's got a lot of soda ash on it. So I may film some of that as well. And yeah, that's kind of all I really have planned for the day. I may make a few other items, but we'll see how it goes. So I want to do a little bit more social media content and video editing. So I may do some of that as well later today. But not gonna do a whole lot because preparing for the website preview was enough. Like, it was a lot of stress around that. Not like negative stress, but just busyness type of stress. So it's the weekend and I kind of just want to ease on into it. So yeah, so I will see you shortly.